Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Mazda 3 Neo Power Pack Sedan, stock reference number 5018. The shape runs from the 10th month 2003 through to the 4th month 2009. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic centre console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.